Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to reveal to you how you can apply a justified alignment for texts in your drawings on LibreOffice Draw. So let us dive into this. Head over to your page here on LibreOffice Draw and navigate to the text box and highlight the text inside the text. So as you can see, it looks centered like this. And you can customize the text alignment by right-clicking into the text, by selecting Edit Style, and by navigating to the Alignment tab here. And here, under Options, select one of these, Start, Center, Left, Right, or Justified like this. And then you may customize, for example, also the last line. Here, Start, Center, Justified, Snap to Text Grid, for instance, and you will see the preview here to the right. Click into OK, and you will see the text aligning itself automatically. And that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching. And then we got under paragraph here, one more information. Under paragraph here in your text properties, you will see also these alignments, left, center, right, or justified. You may use the shortcut Ctrl-J for that, or switch between these. So these options are available, like the edit style menu, as well as the text properties. You may expand these by clicking into this button in the top right. That's it. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.